Well, if you're watching this video, I think I should say congratulations. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janvi. And if you're watching this video, congratulations. I'm pretty sure most of you have cleared your interviews and your medical rounds, and now you're going to pack for your training, right? That's the reason you're watching this video. And if that's not the reason and you just want to binge watch, thank you that you chose me. Well, I'm very excited. I have to leave for my training in just 3 days. Not 3 days, in 2 days. Yeah, in 2 days. And I have packed somewhat. I have almost done my packing, but yeah. I have a list. If any one of you knows me, knows how much I love list, checklist especially, I literally print down everything whenever it's needed. Yeah. Call me a little psycho if you want, but this is exactly who I am. And I think this is something that is going to help you all. So if you want the checklist, just GM me on Instagram. I'll make sure to post it, just put it out there for you all. I think this is going to help you all. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं क्यों बना रही हूँ. मुझे नहीं पता if anyone is going to watch this video, but I felt like when I was starting my packing, I was very concerned. Okay, I don't know what to pack, and I was looking all over the internet. Is there anyone who has made this video? And there are a few creators. I think 5-6. I saw the 5-6 videos, but again, I do things a little too much. So if it is too much for you all, you can just skip. Okay. But if you are still here watching me, thank you. So I have divided into subcategories, and then you understand. To pehla, you need documents, formals, casuals, sports, accessories, toiletries, electronics, and miscellaneous. These are the categories that I've divided all my items into, and now let's get into it. So documents, all the documents that you need are basically your resume, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, 10th-12th mark sheet, and if you have done your graduation's mark sheet, PVC, that is police verification certificate. Photos, okay, so your passport size photos, at least 10 to 15. I think they mention 10 photos are needed, okay? So at least 10. Take 20 photos, at least 20 photos. In my case, I'll say 20 photos leke jao. And 2 full-length photos, they are full-length pictures. So take 2 to 4 full-length pictures with you, and a notebook and pen. That's what I'm keeping in my documents. Again, everything that you are taking with you, all the documents, take at least 5-6 not 5-6, take at least 10 photocopies of them, because all the documents that they have given us, the list, they ask to bring at least 4 photocopies of the documents with original. So I will suggest take at least 10, because in case you need extras, and it's always better to have extras. 10 होगा कभी भी जरूरत पड़ेगी. You don't need to go and get it printed. So it's easy if you have at least 10 copies with. After the documents, we are coming to formals. And now, okay, so some of my friends have joined, and I got to know that you should wear skirts rather than trousers. And I was packing trousers. I personally love trousers on me. I think they are more flattering than skirts on my body type. So I love trousers, basically. But I got to know that you should wear skirts. Skirts are the things that's allowed in summer season in the training academy. And trousers and jeans, you are allowed to wear them when it is workout या फिर ऐसा exercise वाली activities. But otherwise, skirts. So the items that you need to pack are skirts, firstly and foremostly. Trousers you should pack क्योंकि जो, again I told you, there are some physical activities. Trousers, then there's shirts. Pack shirts. I personally shopped. I love wearing shirts in general also, so I had few shirts here and there. So pack at least 6-7 pairs of shirts, because अगर repeat भी कर रहे हो तो मतलब एक अच्छी खासी margin होनी चाहिए. So pack 7 to 8 pairs of shirt. Again, I have and few formal tops, right, with collars and all those things, which looks nice. Then pumps, heels, yeah. So again, the heels should be closed toes. The toes closed. The heels should be pumps. That is, your toes should be closed. As open toe wali heels nahi, closed toes. Those are considered informals. I am packing bellies because I am already very tall and I like wearing heels. I actually do love wearing heels, but okay, so pack your heels or like pumps, and if you're not comfortable in heels, you can pack bellies. But yeah, it should be formal, closed toes. All right. Next is next on the list is bags and a bag and belt. Okay, so carry a tote bag. I recently bought one and it's very pretty. I bought it from Mini West. It's very pretty. So an office bag, because you will need to carry your stuff in it every day. So a proper formal bag will look better than any other tote bag. So carry a tote bag, like something that looks professional. It's up to you. I'm not saying कि ये नहीं ले जा सकते. I'm just suggesting what I feel would look better if you are dressing up. Okay. Next is blazers and stockings. Again, blazers, coats. All right. Formal coats. It looks good. If you're not wearing shirts, I think there is this thing. If you're not wearing shirts, you can wear round neck t-shirts or without any print or with a blazer on it. So you can pack blazers, and then you can, of course, stockings. So black and that skin stockings. I personally like wearing stockings, so I have packed few. But yeah, stockings on skirts. It looks nice. It looks very professional. It looks formal. So stockings. Yeah, that is in the formal section. Next up is casuals. Again, casuals, I think casual items are like basically okay, so आपका पूरा दिन ट्रेनिंग में जाने वाला है, आप घर आके सोने वाले हो. This is how I am right now. I used to go out a lot, but at this moment, I am someone who enjoys my corner. I love coming back home and opening a book, reading it with a cup of tea. That's who I am. So pack according to you. Like casuals should be according to you. 2, 3. Okay, so what I have written, I'll tell you. T-shirts, tops, jeans, trousers, pajamas, loungewears, undergarments, comfortable shoes and slippers. So again, as I said, you're wearing heels and pumps, official, like yeah, formal shoes. For the office, you should carry sports shoes and like any comfortable pair of slippers and shoes for your casuals. In sports, I have a category named sports where I have mentioned activewear and sports shoes. If you are someone who likes working out, you are already packing that. So, anyways, accessories, jewelry. All right. So jewelry. Personally, jewelry is something which is, if you're going to office or office wear or you're wearing formals, your jewelry should be very minimalist, like a pearl earring or golden hoops, all those things. So pack light. You are traveling. You're there for 3 months. Pack light as you can. Don't put extra things in your bags. Okay? Even t-shirts and loungewears, just put 3 or 4. You can alternate. You can wash and alternate, right? So बहुत ज़्यादा सामान रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. If you have long hair, you are going to make buns. So take that hair net. Then you have hair pins. Of course, you need 2, 3 kind of pins. If you like tic tac or वो कौन सा पिन बोलते हैं उसको. Okay, so hair pins and juda pins. You need to carry those. Again, safety pins also you need to carry. Toiletries. Toiletries is a long category. You need your toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, deodorant, sunscreen, moisturizer, tissues, sanitary pads, towels, hand towels, okay, makeup remover wipes, toner, all those things. So in toiletry, what I basically want to tell you, whatever is your skincare regimen, pack that. Your body care, pack that, and pack your sanitary items. And it's not like you won't get it there, but अभी आप तुरंत shift हो रहे हो, you're not going on a shopping range कि सब सामान मंगाना है या फिर order करना है. Pack for yourself कि इतनी चीजें you will need instantly. If I'm moving and I'm going somewhere, I will need these things, right? These are the basics. Electronics. Yeah, we have electronics. Okay, so electronics, of course, these are the things I think no one will forget. Your phone, charger, power banks, earphones, headphones, and laptop if if you need. All right. So carry all those items. And miscellaneous is my favorite section because everything that I was forgetting, I was just putting it here. ठीक है, miscellaneous में डाल देते हैं. ये भी रखना है, ये भी रखना है. So now I'm checking everything रखा है कि नहीं रखा है. So miscellaneous, general makeup, general makeup. Why I'm saying general makeup? Because again, I talked to a few of my friends who are already there, and they told me that they will tell you specific makeup brands जो आपको खरीदना रहेगा या आपको यूज करना रहेगा, स्पेसिफिक शेड्स. सो मेकअप खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. ठीक है, आपका जनरल मेकअप जो यू डू, आपका जनरल मेकअप जो आप करते हो डेली बेसिस पे या फिर विच लुक्स प्रेजेंटेबल इनफ, कैरी दैट. ठीक है, कि नॉर्मल BB cream, CC cream, not even foundation. I'm not even saying foundation. BB cream, CC cream, a compact powder, eyeliner, and lipstick. That's it. मेरे हिसाब से, because I am literally carrying that much only. I I am carrying that much only. I'm carrying my BB cream, my compact powder, my eyeliner because I love eyeliners. So eyeliner, a basic nude lipstick. That's it. Nothing else. Um, Again, then slippers. I think I mentioned it, but शायद मैं भूल गई होंगी लिस्ट बनाते वक्त when I wrote it here. So your casual slippers, skincare I told you already. Bed sheets. You'll be living 14-15 days. They are giving you accommodations, but after that you have to find your own PG or your flat, whatever you're convenient with. I have lived in a hostel, so I can tell you this list is from there only. I made this list 3 years ago when I was moving out to go to my hostel. So yeah, bed sheets, you need to carry bed sheets with you. Again, basic medicines, paracetamol and painkillers, all those things. Whatever you need in general, some medicines you use, all those things, carry them. And in my miscellaneous, there's obviously a section called books. I need to carry few of my books with me. So yeah, that's there. If I'm missing anything, let me remember if I'm missing anything. I don't think so I'm missing anything. I think I have covered everything that I am carrying. Again, yeah, few basic utensils. Sorry, I haven't written this, but few basic utensils. I have lived in a hostel and then in a PG. So I know कि आपको उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. You need some utensils with you. A coffee mug. You need to have tea and coffee. A plate, a bowl, a spoon. These few things there. I haven't mentioned towel, but I think I have mentioned. यार किया तो होगा mention towel वगैरह, हाँ किया है. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. अब बाल्टी मग लेके तो जाओगे नहीं, पर वो भी खरीद लेना, वो जाके खरीदना पड़ेगा. When you are setting up your home again, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु जो हॉस्टल में रहा है या फिर पीजी में रहा है, उनको पता है कि ठीक है कितनी चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं. बहुत चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं. नेल कटर चाहिए होता है, ठीक है, बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं जो इंसान ऐसे मिस कर देता है जब लिस्ट बनाता है एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. बट रिमेंबर कि आपको जाके वैसे भी अगेन आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें कैरी करके नहीं ले जा सकते हो, पर वहाँ जाके आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदनी पड़ेंगी विद टाइम. बट आई थिंक दिस इज़ द बेसिक यू नीड टू कैरी विद यू. ठीक है, दिस लिस्ट इज़ द बेसिक यू नीड टू कैरी. मतलब इसके बिना काम तो नहीं चलने वाला है. यू नीड योर क्लोथ्स, यू नीड योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, यू नीड योर टॉयलेटरीज, यू नीड योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, राइट. आई थिंक इतना ही है, और तो नहीं है कुछ. इतना ही है. मेरे को जाना है 2 दिन में. Well, yeah, I'm leaving in 2 days, or I'm excited. I'm really excited, and I will try to make videos as much as I can. जिन चीज़ों पे मैं बना सकूँगी मैं बनाऊँगी, and I'll keep you updated. And if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me there. I think there will be the most updates. There I will be active. अगर मैं YouTube पे active नहीं हो पा रही हूँ तो I'll be active on my Instagram. So my Instagram handle is there, here. And in description, there's the link of my Instagram. Go and follow me. And that's it. That's it for today. Have a wonderful day. And do let me know if you want any specific video. Okay. Bye.